Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to see a special very insane tool which is going to make, which is, you can say, like, it is going to be the future of mobile development. Like, now let which is called Flutter Flow. It is just a drag and drop tool which you can use for creating mobile apps easier and faster than ever. So you can see over here, this is the official website of them. Like, you can do it for free, like you can do everything for free here, but it requires some amount to be paid. We convert our app into APK, but for now this is enough and it's really cool one. There are many apps built using this tool. There are many commenters, many users who actually love this tool. Very good tool for building our mobile apps, and you can literally say that it is the future of mobile apps. So I'll just show a demo of any app here. Let's see this responsive e-commerce app. It's gonna take some time to render. Actually, you can do a lot of things using this. So let's keep it in a mobile view. Here you can switch views between tablet or a mobile phone. So you can see here, this is the home page. Here on the left side you have set of tools like widgets. You can use it in your app. So like you just need to drag and drop those elements and it will be pasted. Very good one actually. You have widget tree which have this page. You can see here, it's going to show us the tree which contains everything. This is a Firebase store. You can actually connect your app with Firebase. It's a very good option for every developers. You have many schemes, science card items, many things. You can actually call APIs through this app. It is also a good feature which allows the developers to create many, big apps easily. It also provides automated tested, but you have to upgrade your plan for it. So that's not needed anyway. We can even test ourselves. So this is the settings where we can change our project settings. So now let's go to the app. On the right side you can see many options which can be changed to according to your needs. You can display keyboard. You can see the spacing is right or not using this feature. You can resize. You can show the mobile background, everything. You can actually switch it to dark mode even. It's a very good feature. Now let's see the preview of this. For that you just need to sign up. They have already launched version 4, which is very good. You can actually code. It's a low code editor. Also you can make it wide. So they even have animations, widget animations, lottie and drive animations. They even give push notification. It's a very good thing. Light and dark mode, chat and group chat. They actually have inbuilt templates. So shareable links, teams, version control. So you can actually export clean code of the project. It's a very good thing. You can manage design, everything at your fingertips. You can actually connect Firebase. So it's a very good thing. Just see the pricing. So For free, you can build your visual application, hundreds of page components and templates. You can build mobile web and desktop apps. API and data integration is free, and web publishing is also free. So if you give rupees 900 per month, you can download the code of your project, APK, and custom domain web publishing also possible. So it's a very good thing. You can go with the free version. It's also a good thing to be used, honest. So they also have enterprise version. So they also have their
Imagine never having to remember any Microsoft Excel formula from
it's
today.
A very good thing. It's a simple way of creating, and it's creating mobile apps. It saves a lot of time. So I just wanted to share this tool with you guys. So this is the video about. So let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye.